How to see login activity in Instagram on Android. Launch Instagram. Sign into your account. Navigate to profile at bottom right. Now you simply need to tap on three-line icon at top right to access settings and activity page. Tap on account center. Now choose password and security option. And here you can look for a security check section and tap where you are logged in. Select your Instagram account. And here you can see your account login activity. If you see any suspicious devices logged into your account, you simply need to log out those devices to secure your account. So, my device is currently logged in on my device only, so there is no login for this account on other devices. Further, you can even tap on change password, look for Instagram account, and then enter your current password and then tap on the new password and retype the new password and checkmark log out of other devices to choose if someone else used your account and tap change password, and with this you can easily see login activity on Instagram on Android device. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.